Hello student, today we will study the preparation method of alcohol. Yesterday we have done the first method. It is from alkenes. Its first type have done. It is by acid catalyzed hydration. Now second type preparation method from the alkene. It is by hydroboration oxidation. This is the second method by hydroboration oxidation. In this reaction, alkene like propene react with the diborane. Diborane means diborane. When alkene react with the diborane, it form the monoalkyl boranes. It is monoalkyl means monopropyl borane. Again it is give the addition reaction by the removal of the one hydrogen and the adding of the next unit of the propyl, then it convert into the diborane and dipropyl boranes, and again it gives the addition reaction. It is tripropyl propane. Tripropyl borane. This tripropyl borane oxidized to alcohol. This oxidized to alcohol by hydrogen peroxide in presence of aqueous solution of this. It is hydrolyzed. It is oxidized to this tripropyl borane. It is oxidized to alcohol in presence of hydrogen peroxide and the hydrogen peroxide in presence of aqueous sodium hydroxide. And convert into the propanol. It is propanol. 3 molecule of propanol and boric acid BOH whole twice. This reaction also used for to prepare the boric acid. So this is the preparation method of alcohol from the alkenes by a hydroboration of oxidation. I am repeating again. When the alkene react with the diborane, it forms the tripropyl trialkyl borane, which is oxidized to alcohol in presence of hydrogen peroxide in the presence of the aqueous sodium hydroxide. So this is the second type of preparation of alcohol from alkene. Now next preparation method, it is from carbonyl compound. What is carbonyl compound? From carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl means C. These are the compound have this group. It is known as the carbonyls. Generally, aldehyde, ketones, acetic acid have the carbonyl group. So next preparation method from carbonyl compound. So in this method, aldehyde give the hydrogenation reaction. In the palladium catalyst, it convert into the alcohol. And ketones, generally aldehyde give the hydrogenation reaction and form the alcohol. It is primary alcohol, but the ketone give the secondary alcohol via hydrogenation reaction and the presence of catalyst sodium borohydride and convert into the RCH and ROH. This is the secondary alcohol. And next is the reduction of carboxylic acid and the ester. Reduction of the carboxylic acid and the ester. So reaction of carboxylic acid in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. It form the alcohol in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. And these lithium hydride and the other process, it is known as catalytic hydrogenation. In this catalytic hydrogenation, carboxylic acid first in presence of the acidic alcohol, it convert into the ester, and these ester convert into the by catalytic hydrogenation, it convert into the alcohol. Catalytic hydrogenation, it convert into the alcohol. So in the next video, we will study the preparation method of alcohol from the Grignard reagent. Thank you.